Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to convert KML or KMZ file into Shapefile using QGIS software. First we will see what is KML file. Generally the KML file is a keyhole markup language. It's a XML based format file. Generally KML KMZ file is very user friendly for Google Earth Pro software. So whoever using Google Earth Pro software, so suppose if you are downloading any point data or you are digitizing any data in Google Earth Pro, means we can save that file into KMZ or KML file. For example, here I created one polygon in Google Earth Pro software for field. So if I want to save this particular place, means I can right click and save places. Only I can save into like KMZ or KML format. So now I saved that polygon into KMZ file. In the KMZ file is very lightweight save files, but whenever you are going to use for advanced GIS analysis, means we need to convert into KML file into save files or like other file formats. So for that conversion, so QGIS is a very simple and efficient software to convert KML or KMZ file into like other supporting files. So now I saved that file into KMZ file. So now we'll see in QGIS how we can convert into as a save file. Yeah, now please open the QGIS software. In QGIS software, go to layer, and in layer go to add layer. So in add layer there will be an option called like add vector layer. So click that add vector layer once. After opening, like just to proceed into like where you have saved that KML file. So in KML file I put it in the desktop folder. So now I open the KML file. So before if once I click OK, it will show that KMZ or KML file the description and the name, everything. So now I'm clicking add layer. Now you can see like my KML layer got added. So after that, like click that layer and right click and go to export and click save feature as. So during the save feature as, there will be options called like format it will ask. So in that format, if you want to convert this file into geo package, means you can choose geo package, or save file means like you can choose save file. Like other format also it will be there for SQLite GeoJSON or SQLite geo packet, geo arrow, that kind of format also will be there. So whichever format you want to convert, you can click that format. Then we can assign the corner system also for during the export. So you can select the corner system. So WGS 84 is like common corner system. So click that corner system and give the like that particular location where you want to save that data set. So I will save into desktops. So field boundary. Save. If I click OK, so now I converted this file into save file format. So in save file format, you can see like corner system attributes, everything. You can in the information you can see the details. So using the save file, so you can do other GIS analysis, everything. So it will the save file format will be commonly used for like all the purposes. So mostly all of the software will support for save file. Thank you for watching.